Hello, Pop-Uppers! I'm Cheche. I hope you are all well. I saw a commotion among these little creatures right here this morning. It seems like they're celebrating for something. And speaking of celebration, I made this video as a celebration of reaching 175 subscribers in this channel. I am so happy. Thank you very much, everyone. I hope that you are always enjoying watching my videos. So, are you excited to see the pop-up illustration that I prepared to celebrate our little win today? Here it is! Ta-da! Oh, that's so sweet. Anyway, I'll be showing you how I made it, so keep watching. First, we need to prepare all the elements like the illustrations. Then, make a model. Creating a model is really important to see how the output would look like. These thin strips of papers are tabs for the ants, and these circles are the cookies. I put all these in a long thick paper. So, let's start sticking the cookies onto the spread. Then create a tab that looks like this, because this design will make the ants move. You can see it later. I made a mistake here. It didn't work so well, so I did it again. Let's attach this smaller cookie onto the bigger one using this small tab. But I made another mistake here. The glue didn't stick well, so I did it again. Now, let's attach the third cookie with this tab. Again, I made another mistake. As you can see, the back of my illustration is glossy, and I didn't realize that because of the shiny surface, the glue easily falls off when it dries. But I really don't want to redraw everything, so I just tried to find a way how to mend it. And what I did, I scratched it to reach the rough surface so that the glue would have a strong hold. Same with this one right here and here. Let's put this tab extension because this extension will be the one that we glue onto the spread. Now it's time to connect strips tab for the ants in order for them to move when we close and open the spread. As you can see it here, that I attached the strips onto the fold of the tab. This pop-up mechanism is from this book, The Pop-Up Garden by Usborne. I ordered it in a local online shop. You can see it here that the fish seem to appear from under the leaves when you open the book. This mechanism is good to use for the moving objects. So, to finish our illustration, let's draw some more elements on the spread to make it look more realistic. Okay, pop-uppers, our pop-up cookies is done! Pop-uppers, as you see, I made a lot of mistakes, but I didn't want to give up. I guess I made a right decision, because if I gave up, we wouldn't be able to see this wonderful result by now. So to all of you, whatever you are achieving right now, do not give up. Just keep moving forward. If you make mistakes, that's okay. Just do it again until you get it right. Thank you very much. To all of you 175 subscribers, happy subscribing. I hope that we will be able to celebrate more little wins next time together. Until next time, see you again. Bye!